Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Tommy Bear TV. This is a channel where we bring to you travels and all sorts of stuff that we for sure know that is going to be important to you. Now, this is a travel a blog that I decided to do, and it's a very, very interesting one because, in northern Uganda, when you're traveling, you know for sure that you can't miss what you're seeing. On the roadside, we have road sellers. We call them road sellers. And what they do is they bring to you lots of snacks, wherever snack you want, wherever kind of whether it being cooked or whether it being like drinks, wherever you want to get. This is the place on the northern route from Kampala to Uganda, where you from Kampala to northern Uganda, you get to see all sorts of stuffs. And this is the look of it. As you can see, goats in a stick, roasted goats. You can see buses,